Have you ever noticed? A stopped clock in your home? Feels like your money's frozen too. Sharp cactus by the door? It's poking holes in your luck. And that mailbox, stuffed full, trapping your cash energy inside. If you missed our last video about clearing your living room's wealth energy, this is the next step you can't skip. Fengshui's not just about where you put things. It's about clearing the blocks that keep your money stuck. Ready to unlock your true money flow? You know, sometimes it's the little things in your home that quietly block your money flow. Like a clock that stopped ticking, or that cactus by the door you thought looked cool, or even that mailbox that never seems to get emptied. These things, they're not just random, they're signs your wealth energy is stuck. In our last video, we talked about clearing energy in your living room to invite money in. Today, we're diving deeper into these hidden blocks that slow down your wealth flow, and I'll show you exactly how to fix them, step by step. So, if you want to open the doors for more money and abundance, stick around. This video is for you. Hey, if you've ever felt stuck with your money flow or noticed little things in your home that just don't feel right, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget, hit like and subscribe to join our community of people clearing wealth energy, one step at a time. Plus, check out the playlist linked here for more tips to unlock your abundance. Ever looked up and saw a clock that stopped ticking? Feels like your money stopped too. It's not just a broken clock, it's sealing off your time and blocking your financial flow. You know, a lot of people hang a dead clock right by the front door or in the kitchen. Sometimes they just forget to change the battery or think, it looks fine, I'll fix it later. But here's the thing, the front door and kitchen are the busiest spots for energy flow in your home. When the clock stops ticking there, it's like time and money are frozen in place. Energy can't move. It gets stuck, and so does your wealth. You might feel stuck too, like money just isn't coming in, or everything's delayed, all because of one small clock in the wrong place. So don't overlook it. Fix or remove that dead clock before it blocks your money. When a clock stops ticking, energy in your home freezes. It gets stuck in one moment. That stuck energy blocks your money flow. It traps your financial luck. You might feel things slow down. Bills get harder to pay. Opportunities seem to pass you by, all because the energy isn't moving. And a stopped clock is like a freeze button on your wealth. All right, if your clock has stopped ticking, here's what you do first. Take it down. Don't just leave it there, silent and still. But if you really want to keep that clock, promise yourself to change the battery on time. Don't wait for it to die completely again. A ticking clock means time is moving forward. And when time moves, money moves too. Think about it like this. Energy follows attention. A working clock keeps your home alive with fresh energy. It keeps your financial flow smooth and steady. I remember a friend of mine. She had a dead clock hanging near her front door for months. Once she removed it and replaced it with a working one, her whole money situation started to shift. Bills got easier to manage. Opportunities started knocking. She felt lighter, like the weight on her finances lifted. So yes, this is a small fix, but don't underestimate its power. Fix that clock and watch your money start to flow again. Now, speaking of flow, let's talk about plants next. I want to share a quick story about a friend of mine. She had a dead clock hanging by her front door. For months, she ignored it, thinking it was just a small thing. But her finances were stuck. Bills piled up. Opportunities passed her by. One day, she finally took the clock down, replaced the battery with a fresh one. The clock started ticking again. And you know what? Things began to change. Money came in more smoothly. Bills got paid easier. She felt lighter, like a weight was lifted off her shoulders. That small change, fixing a dead clock, helped her open the flow of money in her life. Sometimes, the smallest fixes make the biggest difference. Once the clock started ticking again, energy began to move freely. Money started flowing back in. Bills felt easier to handle. Opportunities showed up more often. The whole vibe of the home changed. It felt lighter, more alive. When energy flows, so does your wealth. Fixing that one small clock helped open the door to abundance. Time stopped as money blocked. Speaking of flow, not all plants bring luck. Cactus looks cool, but it's poking holes in your money luck. Not every plant helps your wealth. Sharp leaves can hurt your financial energy without you even knowing. You know, a lot of people put cactus or sharp plants right near their front door or in the living room. They think it looks nice or that it helps clean the air. But here's the problem. Sharp leaves are like tiny needles. They poke and cut at your money energy. When you put these plants in places where energy flows in your home, they block the smooth flow of wealth. You might not feel it right away, but over time, your financial luck gets chipped away. Money slips through, opportunities pass by, and your wealth feels stuck. So, sharp plants in important spots, they're quietly hurting your money flow. When sharp plants sit in key areas, energy feels harsh. Money flow feels blocked, and opportunities slip away quietly. If you have cactus or any sharp, spiky plants inside your home, the very first thing to do is to replace them. Sharp leaves are like little needles poking at your money energy. They cut the flow of your financial luck. Instead, choose plants with round, soft leaves. Plants like money plant, jade plant, or snake plant. These plants attract positive energy. They help your money flow smoothly through your home. A soft, round leaf creates a calm and welcoming vibe. It invites abundance instead of pushing it away. Making this simple swap can bring a big change. You'll notice your energy feels lighter, and your money starts to flow more freely. So don't underestimate the power of plants. Choose wisely, and watch your wealth grow. So, I want to tell you about a friend of mine. She's really into plants, loves having them all around her home. One of her favorites was this big cactus she placed right by her living room window. It looked cool, kind of edgy, and she thought it added character. But after a few months, she started noticing some things weren't quite right. Money wasn't flowing like before. Bills felt heavier and more stressful. Opportunities she used to get just kind of slipped away. She couldn't put her finger on it at first, but there was this weird, stuck feeling in her home. Then one day, she decided to switch things up. She took out the cactus and replaced it with a soft, round-leafed plant, a money plant. At first, it seemed like a small change, almost silly. But slowly, things started shifting. Money started coming in more smoothly. She felt luckier. Her home felt lighter, calmer, more welcoming. It's crazy how just swapping one plant can change the energy in your space. And sometimes, that's all it takes to start opening up your wealth flow again. With soft plants in place, energy feels gentler, money flows smoother, and luck picks up. Soft leaves bring soft money flow. And speaking of flow, clutter can also trap your cash. Let's see what a full mailbox means for your wealth. Got a mailbox stuffed full and never empty? Your money might be stuck too. It's not just physical mail. Even an overflowing email inbox can trap your financial energy. You know, it's so easy to let mail pile up. Letters stack on the counter. Bills get shoved into drawers. Junk mail mixes in without a second thought. And emails? They flood your inbox every day. Unread, ignored. Sometimes for weeks at a time. But here's the thing. When you don't clear out your mail regularly, energy gets trapped. The clutter builds a wall. It blocks your financial energy from flowing freely. That pile of unopened bills and letters. It's not just paper. It's a physical sign your wealth is stuck. You might feel stressed, like money is harder to come by. Opportunities don't come through like they used to. You try to manage it, but the clutter keeps growing. And so does the block in your energy. Your home feels heavy, and your finances feel tight. All because that mailbox and that overflowing inbox are holding your wealth captive. When your mailbox is full, you might feel overwhelmed. Money flow slows down. Opportunities get delayed or lost. So here's the thing. When your mailbox or email inbox is always full, it creates clutter that blocks your energy. And blocked energy means money can't flow freely. That's why setting up a money day every week is a game changer. Pick a day, maybe Saturday or Sunday, to open every letter, sort the mail, toss out the junk, and pay the bills on time. Don't forget your email inbox too. Delete old, unread messages, unsubscribe from spam, and keep only what really matters. This simple weekly habit clears your space and clears your mind. It lightens the energy in your home and opens the door for your money to flow smoothly again. You'll start feeling more in control, less stressed, and ready for new financial opportunities. So, here's something from a friend's experience. She used to let her mail pile up everywhere. Bills stacked on the kitchen counter. Emails left unread for days, sometimes weeks. She felt stressed all the time, like money was slipping through her fingers. Finances were hard to manage, and opportunities just seemed to pass her by. One day, she decided to change things. She picked a money day each week, a day to sort through all her mail, pay bills on time, and clear out her inbox. At first, it seemed small, but over time, everything shifted. Her money flow improved, her stress eased, and chances started coming her way. It's funny how a simple habit can quietly change your whole energy. With a clean mailbox and inbox, energy flows freely. Money moves in easily. You feel more relaxed and confident. Cluttered mail means blocked cash. Ready to reset your money flow? Let's make it happen. So, now that we've talked about what blocks your money flow, it's time to reset. Small changes make a big difference. 3 simple steps that anyone can do to start opening your wealth energy again. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your clock's restart time, restart money. You might not realize it, but a stopped clock in your home is more than just broken. It actually freezes your money, energy. Maybe you have one hanging by your front door or in the kitchen, forgotten and dead. Imagine how it feels when time just stands still. The fix? Replace the battery or take it down. Let your clocks tick so your financial flow can move again. Step 2. Swap sharp plants for soft, round leaves. Sharp plants like cactus might look cool, but they quietly poke holes in your money energy. You may love their style, but they cut your wealth flow. Now imagine swapping those spiky leaves for soft, round ones, like money plants or snake plants. These gentle greens bring calm, attract positive energy, and help your money flow smoothly. Step 3. Create a weekly money day to clear clutter. Cluttered mail and an overflowing inbox are more than annoying. They trap your financial luck. It's easy to ignore bills and emails piling up, but all that clutter blocks your energy. So set a money day. Once a week, pick a day to sort mail, pay bills, clear your inbox. This habit clears space and mind, opens doors for wealth to flow. Sometimes, the smallest things in your home can quietly block your wealth. You might not notice until money feels stuck or chances slow down. But with a little care and simple resets, you can open your doors wide to abundance. It starts with you. What about you? Have you spotted wealth blockers at home? Or tried some resets? Share your story below. I'd love to hear it. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Stay tuned for more ways to unlock your money flow. Remember, wealth flows where attention goes. Keep your energy clear and watch your abundance grow.